Mussels are such a great ingredient to use at home. They're inexpensive, they're super tasty. These are blue lip mussels, and I want to show you how fast it is to put this dinner or lunch together with only 4 ingredients. The main ingredient here is some cooking cream, which is going to give us a lush, glossy sauce. So I've been preheating a pot on a high heat, just a splash of oil, in with some bacon, or I'm using some pancetta. We want to fry it off just for a moment. And while that's frying off, I just want to show you how to tell if your mussels are fresh. So you can see some of them are open here. All you have to do is just press them and you'll see them very, very slowly close. When they do that, it's a good sign of fresh mussels. Also, they should be nice and clean. And if you see any mussels that are broken, then get rid of them. If some of them don't open after they're cooked, there was this whole misconception that you need to throw them out. In fact, if you can just tease them open and they smell fresh like the ocean, they are still perfectly fine to eat. Okay, this is looking good, so we'll add our mussels. And this is a real sort of surf and turf combination here with that pancetta and the mussels. A quick stir. We'll add some mustard, Dijon or seeded. Stirring that through. And lid on. And this is going to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, but the best way to check is once they're open, they're ready. All right, the mussels are ready. See how they've opened up, smells so good. And just with a slotted spoon, we're going to take our mussels out, leaving all the liquid in our pot. We're going to finish the sauce off with our cream. Look how good they look. All of them have opened. They look fantastic. Okay, so we'll grab our cream. And I like to use cooking cream for this because it thickens up quickly and it doesn't split with a rapid boil. So we're just going to whisk that in, and you'll see just by whisking, it'll start to come together and it'll form a glossy, gorgeous sauce. Okay, that has thickened up, so we can pour this over the mussels. Oh, look at that. See how it almost sticks to the shells? That little bit of pancetta over the top. 4 ingredients. That's all it takes to make a wonderful dinner. Look, if you wanted to add a 5th ingredient, maybe a little bread on the side just to dip into that lovely cream sauce.